The Bank of England appears to have lost its sense of direction. Inflation is still running close to 4%. That is double the bank's own 2% target. And yet interest rates have been cut again, down to 3.75%. Let that sink in. In theory, the short-term benefits are obvious. Borrowers pay less, mortgage rates ease, new buyers face lower costs. In normal times, this might even make sense. Lower rates, more disposable income, more spending in shops, pubs, restaurants, cinemas. A stimulus effect. But these are not normal times. And this is not a normal economy. We are living under a government that has raised taxes by nearly £70 billion. A government led by a prime minister and chancellor many critics describe as economically adrift. So where exactly is this extra disposable income meant to come from? Most people are already stretched, living month to month, paycheck to paycheck. There is no spare cash waiting to be released into the economy. You can cut interest rates all you like. If people have no savings, it changes nothing. If they can't afford a deposit, it changes nothing. If banks won't lend because there's no collateral, it changes nothing. So what problem exactly is this meant to solve? It raises serious questions about what the Bank of England believes it is responding to, because this looks less like strategy and more like panic. Since the 2008 financial crash, Britain became used to ultra-low interest rates, 2%, 3%, held there for years. When gradual increases could have happened, they didn't. And now, once again, policy appears reactive rather than planned, always responding, never anticipating, never setting a steady course. Critics have argued this is not just a Bank of England problem, it reflects a wider pattern across the British establishment. Decisions made late, moves taken under pressure, institutions working in isolation rather than coordination. From the outside, it looks chaotic, disconnected, unsettling. Because when inflation is still high, taxes are crushing households and confidence is already fragile. Cutting rates again doesn't feel bold. It feels desperate.